Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be adding the AI spawner script. Okay, so first of all go inside scripts, AI character, and in here create a new C# script by the name of AI spawner. Select the AI character waypoint origin, drag and drop the script. Okay, open this up, and right here at the top we will create a public game object array by the name of AI prefabs. Then we will create a public integer by the name of AI, or just AI to spawn. Okay, now let's change this update method from update to spawn and make it a enumerator. In here create an integer by the name of count, which will be equals to 0. Then add a while loop in which we're gonna say if the count is less than the AI to spawn. Okay, then what we're gonna do, we're gonna create an integer by the name of random index, and we want to select random AI prefabs from this array and want to spawn them. Okay, so we will pass 0 for the first one, and for the second one we're gonna pass the AI prefabs array. Then game object obj equals to instantiate AI prefabs random index. Okay, then create a transform by the name of child, which is going to be equals to the transform dot get child, then random dot range 0, then transform dot child count -1. After this we're gonna say obj dot get component. Let's get the waypoint navigator script, and from that script we want to get the current waypoint and set that equals to the child dot get component waypoint. Okay, then obj dot transform dot position will be equals to child dot position. Then you will say yield return new, wait for seconds. Okay, and right here let's add an integer by the name of timer, and right here we will say timer. Okay, and then we're gonna say count plus plus. Right here add dot length, and now let me explain this. So right here this is a coroutine named spawn. Okay, responsible for spawning AI instances based on the provided parameters. Okay, so first of all right here this while loop until the count reaches the desired number of AI instances to spawn. Okay, and inside the loop it generates a random index to select a prefab from the AI prefabs array using the random dot range. Okay, then it instantiate the selected prefab and store a reference to it in the obj game object. Okay, then right in here it selects a random child transform from the current object children and assign its waypoint component to the spawned AI current waypoint property. Then it position the spawned AI at the selected waypoint position. Then after that, after the spawning an AI, it waits for a specific amount of time, which will be giving that time in this timer integer before spawning the next AI instance. And as you know that this yield return new wait for seconds line pauses the coroutine execution for the specific time before continuing with the loop. Okay, and then after that we just simply say count plus plus. Okay, so whenever we spawn a random AI, we're gonna increase this count. And for example, if the AI to spawn is 10 and then this count become 10, then this loop will expire and no more AI character will be spawned. Okay, and this timer is of course for a little bit break between the spawning. Now if you save the script, get back right here, we need to provide the prefabs now. So in the game assets, AI characters, let's start from the first one. So let me actually log this. Okay, add the first prefab, then the second, and make sure that you add the prefab, not the fbx file. Okay, then let's add the third one, then the fourth, the fifth character, then the sixth, and then the seventh character. Okay, and let's just say we want to spawn 10 characters after every 2 seconds. Okay, and that's it. Now before starting the game right here, let's just say start coroutine and let's call this spawn method in there. That's it. Now let's start the game. Okay, so one character is spawn, second, third, fourth, and as you know, after every 2 seconds, the character are being spawned, and as you can see, they are walking in the waypoints. Okay, and when you notice when it reaches 10, they will then stop spawning. Okay, as you can see, they are all walking. Let's check it from the scene view. Here are the characters. As you can see, you can increase this value to 15 and then more character will be spawned, but right now the condition already meet, so that's why it is not spawning anymore. Okay, but if you stop the game, set it to 15, then it will spawn 15 characters. Okay, so our AI spawner script is working perfectly fine, and with this done, let's end this video right here.